welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my new video for 2019, and this is gonna be my super blood wolf moon makeup look. Okay, kind of tongue twisted, but anyway, yeah. So make sure that you like, share, subscribe to my channel, and to get the latest updates from my channel and see more videos, just like, you know, hit the little notification button like right there. It's like a little bell like right there. Yeah, and stay tuned to see how I achieve this look. Brows and conceal them off camera, and like my face looks crazy because I just bought like some new milk of magnesium, and I did this like whole facial scrubbing and just detox last night, and so today I was kind of oily, and so I'm gonna pretty much wear this for the rest of the day. So I wanted to stay mattified, and I'm gonna be using this like the lightest blue shade that's in this palette and the darkest blue shade right there. I might even just use the blue. Let me get it. This blue from the Mission Cosmetics. It's a matte, and then this one is a shimmery blue. And so I might just use that blue, but what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go into this deepest blue shade that's right there. And it looks shimmery. It looks matte and shimmery, like it's kind of hard to tell. Which I was really looking for something more matte, but it's just kind of hard to tell. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start like way in the inner corner of my eye, and I'm just gonna kind of like pack this color like this, right? But it is a very pretty dark blue, I will say that. And this is my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, which I absolutely love. I will say I like how the shade, how the pigment is adhering to the LA Pro concealer in white, so I might alter that from my P. Louise base. Yeah, I might just alternate that. So, and I'm just gonna kind of just deposit that color shade that's right here, and I'm gonna just go above that blue that I just deposited, and I'm just gonna go like right around it, and then I'm gonna end up blending in between the two. So this is gonna be like my night sky, because that eclipse was so pretty. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm going to blend. Some eyeshadows are pressed pigment, so it's better to just pack them on before blending. And so I've been getting in the habit of doing that a lot. So never mind me. Right? Oh my god, that looks so crazy. So I'm going to take a small blending brush and blend in between the two. I didn't necessarily like the brush from that set, so I chose me another brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and take that blue right there and blend in between the two, and so that'll give me a better gradient, a better blending effect. Gonna tap into that, kind of go right above. the darkest blue that I laid down. I think since I used like a light blue and then a dark blue, putting this shade to bring them together would go right in with this look. So yeah, I'm coming together. I'm feeling it. Let's see, let's do that. I really don't use a lot of blue shadows unless it's on a client, but I really love the blue, the shimmery blue and the matte blue that's in this Island Fun palette. I really do. Okay, let's see. Tapping back into that dark blue just to kind of bring that color back, because I will be cutting into that deep blue from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Yeah, tap into that black. I'm just pressing it in. Okay, and I'm going to do the same for this side. Go ahead and press in that black. And then I'm going to go back into that small blending brush that I had and just gonna blend it out with the blue. Just blend it together. Small blending like strokes. Circular strokes. Just blend it out. First I'm going to take this red shade, and it's from the Mission Cosmetics Island Fun palette. I'm going to take this red right here, and I'm going to go right under this, like, the cut crease part of the moon. And I'm gonna just do like this. And I'm gonna leave like a negative space in this area where it looks like the moon is actually eclipsing. Get it? So I'm gonna just pat that on like that. I'm gonna just darken this up like around the corners of my eyes right there. The corners of my eye. No. Like in the, right under the actual crease of my eye. Like that. Because when the eclipse was going on, it was a while before the whole moon just turned like red. And then it was just like a shadow casted. Take my shader brush again and pat the black on like the bottom of my lid. Right there. Just pack it on. By me just patting it like this, it's already kind of blending in with that brown. And that's what I just kind of want it to be, like a shadow being casted. In the outer corner, I want to make sure it's really dark. I'll just have to take my blending brush really quick to clean up that so it won't be like a harsh line. Yeah. And I'm kind of going in a diagonal. I took my white, it's like a pearl white color. I took my liquid eyeliner and I kind of went in that space that I left open, and I just kind of etched out a part of the moon that was left. My foundation, it's the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer. I haven't used it in a while, and I've only used it maybe once or twice. This is the shade Cream Caramel 21. I had to look, I forgot. So I'm just gonna take some and do like this little number. I can't remember exactly when I purchased this, but it wasn't that long ago actually. It was like before the end of the year, I know that much. But one thing I will say is that a little bit goes a long way. I think so, because for me, at the time I was having like very troubled skin, and so it was pretty much not taking a lot to get like this full coverage application. So we shall see. And I'm using my beauty blender. Usually I would use my brush, but since I'm just since I prime my face with this milk of magnesium solution, so I wanted to see. I don't think I've ever used this foundation with a beauty blender, and I wanted to see the difference it would make from that with that in a brush. So yeah, and I can say that I can tell the difference. Beauty blenders is just, it's just something about a beauty blender anyways. Yeah, it gives you more of a, and you can just see like half of my face, it gives you more of a airbrushed, just kind of like a flawless finish. I'm only gonna go under my eyes, just like that. Brown. And I'm gonna dust the brown under there like that. Hi, so this is my finished look. I've added some glitter on the side. I've finished my face. I've added my lipstick, so it's this red on the top with the ombre of the brownish, brick reddish color, and then that same color and the black on the bottom. I've smoked out in a circular motion to kind of like finish the moon out, to finish it off. I've added lashes from Mission Cosmetics. I don't remember the name of these, but anyways, they're very dramatic. And so yeah, this is the finished look for the Super Blood Wolf Moon, because it was just like all in one last night. And so I hope you've enjoyed everything. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be informed for new videos and new material. I promise I'm gonna do better. And so yeah, this is it. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed.